Yo, lads, man. You guys just don't know how happy I am, bro. See these, bro. Let me show y'all the time, bro. It's I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but I think it's almost 7, right? It's 6:51, so I got up at 5 as early as possible today. I just wanted to do some work, right? Because I have college at 9, right? I think at 8, yeah. I have a school at 8, so we have a presentation. It's a project, they want you to present a project. It's a group work actually. But as you understand, every college we have people that are serious and people who are not. So I ended up falling in the groups of people who are not serious. So I'll probably have some team members that are not that serious. So our project is not yet even, prepared or anything. But man, that's enough of the college. So the reason why you guys are in my dashboard for YouTube, right? Yeah, it's because I'm happy, man. Thank you guys for this, right? See, if you had noticed all my videos, right? I barely get views on this channel, right? Which is crazy. I think the highest one was this one. That was like on October, man, October 15th, because I opened my channel, my first video was on October 13th. So 2 days later, we have a video that hit 181. So I was like, wow, that's interesting. And after that, as you guys can see, just, YouTube doing its thing. But I'm not complaining. I'm just, happy that, okay, we finally broken this. We've broken through these low views. Jail. Although this one, right, this 200 is not like super life changing. I'm not saying I'm not thankful, but I just love the fact that okay, now people, YouTube is a little bit, promoting the or sending my videos to people that find, a little bit of value. Although sometimes I tend to talk about, just my progress and all that. But we've come a long way. So if you guys been watching me from the start, you guys know like man, it's been a long journey trying to understand React, right? I haven't understood it to the fullest, but I've kind of moved out of React a little bit because now I'm focused on Next.js. So if you had noticed, Next.js is a it's just a framework of React. So it's still I'm using React, but it's like a buffed up React. You get it? So yeah, whatever. So here's the thing, right? This is some app called Weaponizer. I mean, extension, browser extension. So if you look at this Weaponizer, it's just like, just think about it. Analyzer it's like it just analyzes the whole web, and it gets all the technologies used. So this is my website actually. This is the website, the SaaS project that I'm working on, right? As you guys can see, we're on the dashboard, right? So I got done with the navigation. I told you guys previously, the previous video, if you didn't watch it, you should. Like I just explained the high level setup of everything, right? And I told you guys what I intend to do, and then I'm just taking it a step at a time. Even if it takes us the whole year, I'm up for the challenge. I don't really mind because what else is there to do, bro? So this is the dashboard. As you guys can see now, this is the home page. So if you click on this, the green color remains on that, and then it just takes you to the home page, and then boom, this is the dashboard page, and then this is the upload page. I'll show you guys something interesting about the beats page, but this is a drum kits page. So this drum kits page and the beats page, I kind of think it's good to separate them, yes, because as producers, you're just gonna upload drum kits and beats separately, right? But at the same time, they're all gonna be coming from this page, right? So this is the upload page. This is where they're gonna have the upload, everything like the upload, the metadata, put in the data, or um put in the details for the beats or the drum kits, right? But I'll find a way to distribute them to make sure I take, if is beats that have been uploaded, they should go to beats page, and if it's drum kits that have been uploaded, they should go to the drum kits page, which is interesting. But yeah, let's go ahead. Drum kits, I'll make it the same like this. I'll show you guys the beats page in a minute. So this is a pricing page, and this is a pricing page is where we're gonna talk money only. So we're gonna talk money only. So I just want to price my beats in a certain way. If I look at my competitor, right, which is BeatStars, let me just walk you guys through BeatStars. I don't know if my account is signed in. I think I'm not signed in. Okay, that's interesting. So let's say I click start selling. Okay, they have lazy loading and all that. As you guys can see, lazy loading. So this is choose your path to success. And as you guys can see, the pricing on my competitors page, they literally have 1.67 right per month. It's a $1. This is like yeah, this is like $2, but let's call it 1.67 for now per month. That means in a year you're gonna pay $20, right? Now think about it. If you have like 10 users, that's like $100 per year, right? From 10 users. And then if now you want to upgrade to like this growth, right? For sellers looking to expand their reach and boost sales and engagement. Now here, for the reason why this is $1.06 or whatever you call it, is because here there's no custom page, there's no custom domain. Like most of the things are blocked out. The only thing you have access to is BStars publishing, and you have 3 monthly just downloads and all that, platform opportunities. And this AI thing, I don't really know if anybody uses this, but it is what it is. So you get instant payments and you get zero seller commission, right? You almost get like, if your intention is to just sell beats, let's say just sell beats, right? Because everybody's intention is to just sell beats. But if you want to scale your business, right, obviously you'll need a custom domain or maybe a custom website, right? So because if you look at this, BeatStars is like a marketplace, so 1,000 other producers will have beats on there. So let's say your beat is on the first page of the marketplace. When you wake up the following day, your beat will be out, because the more people are selling beats, they're higher in ranking. Their beats get displayed to users, or I mean to artists. So as a producer, if you don't really have that leverage, right, the only thing you need to do is just create your own custom page, right? Because on the custom page, the producers, the artists will only get access to your beats, right? So let's say, for example, the artist goes to YouTube, right, and in the comment section, or in the link box, or whatever in the description, they find the link, and then they click the link and it directs them to a BeatStars, right? BeatStars page, and then your beats are shown to them. Now once they click on that link, it will direct them to the marketplace. That's how these BeatStars they market their stuff. So it will redirect the artist to the marketplace. Obviously, the artist will get access to the direct beat that they clicked on, but at the same time the artist will still have, they'll still have to see other beats from other producers, because it's a marketplace, obviously. So let's say your beat is not that good, right? But the artist really initially liked it from YouTube, right? And then they clicked it and it brought them to the BeatStars page. Now they really don't like it like that. You get, it's just something normal. Sometimes you go to the market and it's like, there's one cloth that you see and it's like, yo, I want to get that trouser. And then a second later, you see a better trouser, like something that again catches your interest. Now it's like, okay, I want that trouser. You get, so now you're leaving this buyer hanging because your attention has been switched to another buyer. So that's how it is. Dang. My alarm. Anyways, so now your attention has been switched to another buyer. So you're leaving this seller, to another seller. You're leaving this seller hanging, looking at you like, you really gonna go to that dude? So that's the option you have to play with. Now it's like, yo, you have to fight against a lot of odds to just get one sale, right? Which is not good. But now, as you can see, if you have your custom page, all attention will be on your page, because it's just everything is gonna be your bids, right? So if they don't like this bid, they have access to another bid of yours. So it will incentivize them to buy more bids from you. So that's the secret, sales pay, section about these BeatStars. So now they have a custom pro page, and then here they don't have a custom pro page, and also for growth they don't have a custom pro page. But if you need a custom pro page that is made from a website builder, just like WordPress and all that, you'll have to spend $15 a month, or maybe $180 a year, which is a bit crazy, right? But still, some people opt for it, because let's say you make a sale, let's say you make a $20 sale, let's say you're running fast this growth, or you're even running this one, and you make two sales, right? So let's say you're selling your beats for $30. and then you make two sales. That means you have $60. So out of that $60, you can easily change your subscription from this and change it to this. So you buy a custom page, right, or professional page, which is going to cost you $15. So out of $60, you are down by $15, right? So that means you have something like $45, if I'm not wrong in math, but I think something like $45, right? So if it's recurring, if this is monthly, that means again, for you to keep up, you need to, add more sales and stuff like that. But once you have a custom pro page, I really doubt if it's going to be a problem, because obviously custom pro page will, have you more sales, and there are a lot of things here also that can encourage you to, have more sales. And then if you don't have more sales, that means you've made a loss, because every month you are going to be down $15. And if you don't make it, now you back to any of these ones that you can afford, or sometimes you even go without. So it's crazy. And if you go without, then BeatStars deletes everything that you have. You have to start from zero again. But you'll have, like, I really don't know if they delete though, but I remember a time when my card was charged and there was nothing in it, so I didn't find my stuff. I had to, begin from scratch. So that was like a frustrating case. And I didn't want to go through all that. So yeah, that's why I chose to, try to build my own stuff. So I'm not saying I'm copying the exact thing, but it's always good to understand, like, the market, like where you're getting into, or what you're getting into as a programmer, or some entrepreneur, or somebody who really wants to make money in life, right? So yeah, now for me, I feel like for starters, right, I can put, like, let's say, um like, for big, like, if you don't have an account with us and you open an account, just out of just the kindness of my soul, I'll give you 50 free uploads. You'll have to upload 50 free beats before I can ever charge you $1, right? So that's it. I'm gonna charge you 50 beats before I can charge you. I mean, I'm gonna allow you to upload 50 beats to my website or to my platform before I can charge you $1, right? Which is a generous thing, because for BeatStars, I really doubt if they have. I think they do, but the free one, right? The free starting stuff, it's like, I think, free, but you just upload 10 beats, which is interesting. So for me, I'm gonna have 50 beats uploads before I can charge you $1, which is interesting. And then for starters, right? For starters, I'm just gonna make it like maybe $2 or maybe $1. It will depend. So they won't have custom pro pages. Usually, like, just whatever is here, right? Because, man, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just understand what's going on. So for this one, I'm just gonna price it a little bit, like maybe $5. Because here's the thing: when you're starting out, it's always good to understand, like, the competitors and the pricing. Because I can't be like somebody new on the block and just start charging $400. It will look strange, right? So I'm gonna charge a little bit, $5 under this one, just like $5. This is 6.6. I'm gonna charge like $5, and then for this one, I'll probably charge like maybe $10, right? Just a little bit, like, below that, which is good, or maybe $12. It will depend, right? And it will probably look like this, something like this, right? So here they'll have a professional pro page from a website builder, whatever. They'll have a custom domain and all that. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm gonna do, right? But for now, that we so far from that, that's what's gonna be all in the pricing page, right? I just want to make everything simple for the producer and artist to navigate, right? So the producer will only have access to dashboard and upload and beats and drum kits, right? So for the artists, right? For the artists, they will only be presented with the beats page, because obviously there's no any artist in this world that has to buy drum kits. I've never seen that. Or maybe if the artist makes beats as well, that's when you might need drum kits. Okay, so the artists are going to be presented with the beats page and maybe my logo as well. And then I don't know, pricing, no, I won't show them. I'll only show them the card. Yes, the card, the beats page, and yeah, and my logo. And 9 times out of 10, right? People don't want to sign in to your account. Trust me, some people always just want to use your account without signing in. So to me, I feel like they will be able to access this beats page, the pricing, I mean, this beats page and the cart, right? But when they want to make a purchase, that's when they will be required to sign in, right? Because think about it. Before you make a purchase, you have to sign in. The reason why you have to sign in so that you can be protected and I can be protected. So if there's anything, any error that happens, I know where it happened and when it happened and who made it happen. You understand? So that's going to be the workflow of the whole website and everything. But for now we are still on the design part, still understanding the parts that we need and we don't. So I'll still keep iterating between but I'm going to maintain this UI. I'm going to use this neutral color, this light neutral color, and then dark neutral color, and green. Right? Green is just going to be like the color that is just like complementary to this dominating neutral color, right? So as you guys can see, the UI is not super bad, but as well it's not very good. I can't say that, but to me, I just like it. So boom, now I'm gonna show you guys the beats page, right? So here's the beats page. So something interesting about the beats page is that the beats page is going to be obviously like a marketplace, right? A mini marketplace. But the beats page is going to show all the beats within the website, right? So artists will be presented this, and as well as dashboard, because I want to show the beats, right, that have been bought, right? So for the dashboard, I'll make two pieces of dashboard, or three, yes. One admin dashboard, one artist dashboard, and one producer dashboard, but they're all going to be in one. They will only switch according to who is using the page, right? I'm just gonna do that, but with time. So let's see. Now this is the beats page, right? So if you see the beats page, we have the beats cards, as you guys can see. So if you look at the beats cards, when I hover over the pricing, because I normally price my beats as 29 and another's like $30. So if I click, boom, it gives you that feedback that you've clicked, and then boom, it gets added to cart and all that, and the rest follow. So I really don't know if this is cool. I just added this dot to separate these two. This is the key, right? I mean, this is the BPM, the beat per minute of the beat, the beat per minute, yes, BPM of the beat, and then this is the key of the beat. If you're a producer, you know what I'm saying. If you're not a producer, then I'm sorry. I don't know how to explain it further. And then this is the title of the beat, right? So this card is containing everything, right? The title, the key, the BPM, and the price. Obviously, the most common things you need as a producer, right? So now when the artist comes and hovers over this card, it now shows you a play button. If you hover out, boom, if you hover anywhere in the card that is not this image or this picture, it's just going to show you this. But if you hover over the image, it's going to now show you. Yeah, that's one of my beats. So boom, it shows you that the picture gets a little bit dim, like the opacity or the lightness or the brightness just reduces, and then the play button changes to pause button. And then remember, the beat is still playing. It just plays from where it stopped. It doesn't restart from the beginning, which is interesting, right? Yeah, that's about it. Mm, I doubt if you guys are hearing the beat, right? I really doubt if you guys are hearing the beat. The reason being on how do they call it? On OBS, the recording software, I have it turned off, like from recording um, the system sound, which is it's not bad as well. So boom, it's just almost the same in everything, right? In all the cards, you can see this is just like dummy data to like help me understand the UI. It's not like this is the final data that's gonna be there for the artist. No, every beat is gonna have a different title, different BPM, different key, and same price, different image. these things will be uploaded. The producers will be the one who fill this metadata. They will fill this in a form that I'll give them in this upload page. They'll have to fill the title, they'll have to fill the BPM and the key, but the price will be constant. But sometimes I just want the price. Oh my gosh, damn. Excuse me, bro. I wanted to sneeze. Just a minute. Man, I just woke up, man. I just looked washed. So, the producers will be able to customize the pricing, right? Yeah, they'll be able to put their own price because sometimes some people want to go cheaper, some people want to go more. So I don't want to limit them to just $30, so they can put whatever they want. And then boom. Now, here's what's interesting, right? I want so when I click on a certain beat, right? Let's say I click on this beat, all these other beats will disappear and it will only show me the info about the specific beat that I've clicked, right? I don't know if you guys understand it, but once you click this, I wanted to show info of the particular beat, right? So the bigger picture is gonna be like the whole page here will disappear, right? And then it will only show this specific stop breathing beat. It's just gonna be like stop breathing, and then this picture will be a little bit bigger. It's gonna have stop breathing, the same things here, but at the same time it will include whoever uploaded it. It will have a particular profile of the person that uploaded it. Yeah, which is interesting. And then if they add it to cart, then it will appear in the cart page just here, right? Yeah, and remember the card page, the green color is just interesting, right? So it will have here this the card page, it will have the specific bid that they've selected with all the info and then the pricing and everything, and then it will just have checkout, right? Or maybe buy or download for free. It will depend, right? And then when I hover over this card, I wanted to show me like the number of products in my cart, right? So I'm not really sure what's going on with this. Anyways, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with the card, but I'll show you guys in advance. So that is just it. Like, I don't know if you guys like the UI, but y'all can tell me and give me your feedback and maybe also give me ideas. So this is also like a search beat section where you can search. You can search for anything, right? I haven't it included the functionality, but you can search and then boom, you can just click search and then it will show you it will filter through and show you the specific beat that you searched for. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I don't want to go so crazy on the search boxes. Some people want you to like filter to the letters when you just start typing, let's say stop and this and that and that. That one will create unnecessary traffic in your API calls. It will increase your cost and it will just make your website feel laggy because you're just searching for data time and again. But if you make it so that once they type the specific bit that they want, then now you can give them the results, then that's interesting. So yeah, the rest of the functionality we shall go and add it, but for now this is what we have going on. And then the beats, this drum kits page, I'm just gonna copy just the exact card and then maybe change a little bit of some things because the drum kits will only have like the drum kit picture and then the title of the drum kit and the number of the sounds in the drum kit and the day it was created or whatever and the price. I think that's just it, and here I might add the day of creation as well, but we shall see with time. I think this one looks cleaner like this. So that's about it for the page and our how do you call it, our workflow for now. And another thing that I added is I added a little bit of authentication here and there, right? I added clock authentication because if you come to Webalizer and understand the technologies used in my page, you will see clock authentication here. And I'm using Tailwind CSS as well. And yesterday I just upgraded to Tailwind, the latest Tailwind, right? Tailwind V4. So let me show you guys Tailwind V4. For Tailwind V4, you no longer have to use the Tailwind CSS config file. I don't really know if you need it anymore. I really don't know. But For what I know, you just have to now import Tailwind CSS just like this, instead of having, Tailwind base, Tailwind this, Tailwind that, and then it shows you a lot of errors here and stuff, like squiggly lines, not errors, but it just shows you like something's not right. Yeah, they got rid of it. And now if you come to my package JSON, you'll see I'm using React 19 with Next.js 15, Next 15, Lucid React, and then we have Tailwind post CSS 4, which is v4, right? Version 4, which is, yeah, Tailwind version 4. That's what I'm using. So that's about it, I think, for the stuff. And then what is it? I added clock here, authentication, and there's something I wanted to show you guys with the authentication part. If I come and click sign in, it will redirect me to a sign in page, right? It will take me through clock sign in page. As you guys can see, sign in to Dirty Bucket. Like I told you guys, that's the name of my beat store. It's going to be Dirty Bucket. So it's going to say welcome back, please sign in to continue. So if you have an account, just sign in and you continue, or you can continue with Google. Or if you come and say sign up, right, it will redirect you to the page where you have to sign up, put in email and password, right? And we already have an account, so we're probably just gonna sign in. Let's say sign in, and it's just gonna ask me for that, and it's just gonna sign us in, right? Now I'm signed in, and then notice it's going to open, it's gonna redirect me back to the home page, right? Not the home page, but to my website. I'm just gonna make it so it just redirects me to the home page, right? So we're gonna come here and say check the clock with how to call it, docs, right? But for now, let me show you guys. I think in some video that I uploaded about authentication, I showed you guys what happens with clock and all that. But as you guys can see, it's looking slick, right? So the sign in button has disappeared, and now we have just like the user, right? Whoever's using the account. So I just wanted to limit this page to only be, seen by somebody that is authenticated or is signed, right, or is signed in, or else if they're not signed in, they should always be redirected to the home page. And the home page will always have, particular beads, like you get the people who uploaded beads, and it's just like beads that, okay, you don't have granular, um access to beats like this. But I don't know if that should be the no, I think it should be the upload or the dashboard. Yes, the dashboard and the upload page. This dashboard and upload page, they should be the ones protected. And then the beats and the drum kits and the pricing should be publicly available, right, for anybody, so you can see what's going on with the website. So it's probably what I'm going to be working on, but for now I'm just going to stop here. I think it's a long video already. Next time, when in the next video that I'll upload, I'll just talk you guys through how I'm going to use create route marcher to protect the routes, right? So this is gonna, because initially if I take you to the code and show you guys the middleware, right? So it's gonna just have this, like I showed you guys in the other video. It's just gonna have by default all the clock middleware, all these pages are not protected, they are public by default. That's the new clock. Like previously, the previous clock used to have certain pages, all these pages that used to be protected, and then you have to give like a certain specific file or page to protect. But for now, all of them are public. You just have to create is protected route in order to use in order is protected route in order to protect some routes. So that is going to be issue for the next video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'm really, let me refresh and see, I'm really happy for this, right? It's now almost 240, right? Super happy for 240 views on that video, my first SaaS. So the second video is gonna be, progress towards building the SaaS, right? As a solo beginner developer. So thank you guys for sticking by. I know I've been super slow and speaking like with a dead tone because I'm a little bit tired and all that. I just don't understand. I just woke up, but again I'm tired. So you guys understand the context. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching and sticking with me up to the end, my brothers. Love you guys from my soul. See you guys when I see you. And just know we're gonna build this product together. Alright. See you guys, bro. Let me see how can I turn this off. Let me see how many minutes we got going on. Damn. Almost, bro. Almost 30 minutes. That's crazy. Wow. Cheers, my brothers. That's what. Interesting. 5.7 CPU usage. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5. Go on.